Hello, friends. Good evening, and welcome to this moment webinar today. And it was a little bit late, but somehow we make up at the last. So, welcome to this moment webinar, and we are very glad to bring this every Tuesday, and we are planning to share our knowledge and information regarding intellectual property rights. And today I am going to start with some of the details about what is patent. This is basically about patents, what it is patent. And this presentation I am making in mind that I am going to have couple of friends who are very new to the field and who are from the different walk of life. So जो सारे डिफरेंट तरह के जो फ्रेंड्स हैं जिसको ज़्यादा आईपी के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है, उनको धीरे धीरे आईपी के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन देने के लिए सेशन शुरू किया है. So today we are planning to bring what is patent. So what is patent? That we can see that basic structure of the patent. So before that, I would like to say, first let's understand the terminology invention and what is innovation. So firstly, invention. So what is invention? So invention is a new product or process that solves a technical problem. So any product or process which solves any technical problem, that is known as invention. So for example, needing something not available. So when the calculator was invented, that time people did not know about how to calculate, mechanically using machine, very quickly. So they invented calculator. Second is combining two or more products. So when two or more products combine together and then form a new invention like camera, computer and telephone, they all combine together and then we have smartphone. And then applying a better understanding of nature, that whenever there is already information is there in nature, that we are applying and then we are inventing. So best example is velcro, nylon tab. And another example is traditional knowledge like मिट्टी का कूलर. सो मिट्टी का कूलर जो है वो इन्वेंशन इंडिया में बनाया गया है. उसमें क्या है कि जो मिट्टी की प्रॉपर्टी है जो ठंडा रखने की है, वो प्रॉपर्टी को यूज करके उसको स्पेसिफिक डिजाइन करके एक छोटा सा फ्रिज जैसा बनाया, तो उसको बोला है मिट्टी दा कूलर. So what is innovations? So we can see in this slide, example is there. Application of better solution that meet new requirements, unarticulated needs, existing market needs. So इसमें आप देख सकते हैं 1980s में फ्लॉपी डिस्क अवेलेबल थी जो बहुत ही बड़ी होती थी और उसकी मेमोरी बहुत ही कम होती थी. फिर सीडी रोम इन्वेंट हुई और उसके बाद पेन ड्राइव जो आजकल भी चलता है पेन ड्राइव इन्वेंट हुई. और उसके बाद नई नई इन्वेंशन आती जाती है. जैसे अब कोई भी पेन ड्राइव वगैरह की जरूरत नहीं है, क्लाउड बेस्ड सर्वर पे सारा फाइल्स डेटा जितना भी आप मर्जी है उतना रख सकते हैं. So these called innovations. Innovations is like incremental improvement in any existing product or processes are there. So that is called innovation. So invention is the creation of a product or introduction of a process for the first time. So whenever any invention happens, any product or new process comes there first time, that is known as invention. Like Thomas Edison was an inventor. Innovation is what? Innovation happens when someone improves on or makes a significant contribution to something that has already been invented. मीन्स जो ऑलरेडी इन्वेंटेड है उसको इम्प्रूवमेंट करके उसका यूज करके कोई नया प्रोडक्ट लाते हैं तो उसको बोलते हैं इनोवेशन. सो लाइक स्टीव जॉब्स है, वो इनोवेटर है. उसने जो कंप्यूटर ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग था वो और उसकी जो एप्पल की प्रोडक्ट्स है वो ऑलरेडी नोन प्रोडक्ट्स या जो भी अवेलेबल एलिमेंट्स थे उसका यूज करके नया प्रोडक्ट बनाया, तो वो स्टीव जॉब इज ए इन्वेंटर. We can see more information, more examples, like you can see in this example, I have given example of whatever is existing, like IC circuit, integrated circuits are there. So those integrated circuits, it's called invention. But when you use those in IC circuits in any of the products, so those products, if you apply, those products are coming as a innovations. Like different digital gadgets, etc., is using, IC integrated circuits and other electronic components. So these gadgets are innovations. So these are the main difference between invention and innovations. You can see that Tim Berners-Lee, he invented World Wide Web, internet he invented. When you say that Mark Zuckerberg, he invented Facebook. So Mark Zuckerberg was the innovator. He is a innovator, and Tim Berners is a inventor. So these are the examples I have given. Now let's see, intellectual property rights. So whenever we talk and every time we discuss, we must learn and emphasize on this definition of the intellectual property rights. So these definition, we have to remember that every week, we will see this definition, that intellectual property rights is refers to the creation of the mind, such as inventions, means whatever is creation from the mind, those called as intellectual property. And examples are there: invention, as I said, invention, I have given the examples: inventions, literary and artistic works, designs, symbols, names, images used in commerce, means for the purpose of trading, any names, logos we are seeing, those are coming as a intellectual property right. Literary and artistic works are there, so like book writing or any research article writing, painting, so those are literary artistic works. Now let me see what is a patent. So patent is a legal protection which gives an inventor the right to exclude others from performing certain activities. What kind of activities are there? Exclude others. यहाँ जो वर्ड यूज किया है उसको अच्छे से समझिए. एक्सक्लूड अदर्स मीन्स अदर्स जो है उसको एक्सक्लूड आप कर सकते हैं फ्रॉम मेकिंग. मीन्स if anyone is trying to manufacture your invention, your patented product or process, you can stop them, from making, using. Even if they are using, they are making their own, they are getting, some products whatever you have not manufactured, so even if they are using, you can stop them. Selling, if someone is selling, like shopkeeper is there, if they are selling, you can stop them. Even importing, if someone is importing some products to the country, you can also stop them. So here remember the definition of the patent is that a legal protection given to the inventor by the country's statutory body, any government, to the inventor, exclude others from certain activities. And what activities are there? Making, using, or selling, or importing. So this is kind of agreement between the inventor and a government. Sanction monopoly for a set number of years in exchange for disclosure of the invention to the public. If inventor is disclosing their invention to the public, then government authority like patent office and Indian government has given right to that inventor, that for the certain number of years, here in the now according to the patent law is 20 years. So whoever is inventor is there, they will get 20 years monopoly right, because for 20 years no one can make, use, or sell or import your invented product or invented process. Here is history, you can see the global patent history is there. You can see in 1790 US patent law was started, and it established US patent law in 1719. Indian Patent Act was established in 1970, and India became a signatory of the World Trade Organization WTO and TRIPS agreement in 1995. So that detail, you can see later on in a history of patent law. Why invention is important? Why someone needs to patent their invention? So main is their source of recognition for the inventors. So you can get, whoever is inventor is there, they get the recognition that this inventor has invented this stuff. So it's kind of a recognition. Like you can say that Thomas Edison invented bulb. So now also after 100 years, everyone knows that Thomas Edison was an inventor. So it's kind of recognition. In second is incentive. So incentive to develop a commercial product, because if you develop a product, commercial product, and which is beneficial for the society, you will get, inventor will get incentive in some monetary benefit will get it. How they will get it? They can license existing, they can license the product, patented product to the existing company. Suppose you are inventor and you have very good invention, but you do not have, monetary or financial help to, start manufacturing. So whatever is, whoever is existing company, you can give license to them. And even if startup companies is there, they can, get incentive, they can start, their own company based on their invention. And protection against imitators. So whoever is trying to copy your product or process, you can get protection from that one. You can stop others, they can not use your invention. What can be patented? So this is more important, Mm, what type of inventions are protected. So there is a Nunn's rule is there, which is following everywhere. So what is Nunn's rule? Remember Nunn's rule. Nuns first N stands for novel, means whatever your invention is there, that invention may not be known to the public or used by others. So no one knowing about that, and no one used your invented, earlier no one knows about that. So it should be novel. Second is useful. Have a known use or produce a concrete tangible results. It must be, useful to for the society. Non-obvious. Non-obvious means it should not be very obvious to the person skilled in the art. It must be, something very different. Like, compare, you cannot club A and B and then you say your invention is AB. So it's not possible to have any obvious invention. And last is statutory requirement. Means every country has their own patent law. So according to that patent law, your invention must fall into that one and you are eligible to get patent for your invention. So Nunn's rule is important. Remember, novel, useful, non-obvious and statutory requirements. And India, certain inventions are not patentable. For example, law of nature, scientific principles and discoveries. So all these inventions related to law of nature, scientific principles or discoveries are not patentable in India. Where it is protected, let's say you have invention and you have filed patent, then where it is protected, suppose you file patent in India, then it is only patent protected in India only. If you want to use your invention in some other country, then you have to file a patent application in that particular country. So patent is a territorial right. So it belongs to, wherever you are filing your invention, that your patent is only applicable to particular uh, territory only. And Paris Convention patent cooperation facilitates claim of 160 countries. So I am not going to give detail about that, but remember that there is one terminology, patent cooperation treaty and Paris Convention. Foreign filing process is there. So if you think your patented invention is can be useful only in the country, like America or say any other country, then you have to file patent application in that particular country only. So in these slides, I am showing that wherever where all these IP offices in India. So you can see that patent office is there at four places: Kolkata, Delhi, Chennai, and Mumbai. While other offices are there at different places. Like design office is there only at Calcutta. Trademark is office is there at five places. So remember that five patent offices are there all over the India. So this is the very short presentation of today, where I have discussed about the what is patent, and next week I will bring some more new topics and discuss with you all the new topics and to share the knowledge. So I hope this will be more beneficial for all, and you can learn all different aspects of the intellectual property every day, every week on Tuesday 5 p.m. Just you have to log in for 20 to 30 minutes only. So within 20 to 30 minutes, one by one, you can learn about different aspects of IP, and I will also share different news related to intellectual property rights also. So I hope this is very beneficial for you, and you all are learning, and look forward to have more conversation and more fruitful discussion with you all. If you have any more query, please feel free to connect with me and feel free to contact me. These are my contact addresses are given on the uh, contact addresses are given on the slides. So thank you very much and look forward to see you all around. Thank you.